Hebei Dongjubo Machinery Equipment Technology Company Limited, located in China, specialized in manufacture and distribute various hydraulic components with strict quality standard. Our main products include hydraulic piston pump, piston motor, gear pump, vein motor, reducer, and spare parts. With our professional technology and industry experience, we provide services to clients in heavy industry, construction, agriculture, forestry, marine, and mining. We have a professional technical team with years of hydraulic service experience on hydraulic system solutions, with comprehensive advantage on quality price delivery and after-sale service, especially suit for who have request on lower cost, higher performance, and longer service life. We have alternative spare parts to suit various brands and models of equipment, and introduce elephant fluid power as your advantage supplement of your current hydraulic supply. We have more than 3,000 kinds of plenty items in stock, which can provide one-stop professional services to suit range of brands and applications in everywhere in the world, with 3 or 5 days delivery time. We guarantee worry-free delivery time for you. We are looking forward to establishing a long-term business relationship with overseas in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested in our products or our company, please feel free to contact us for more details. Quality bearing dream, ingenuity to build life. Hebei Dongjubo Machinery Equipment Technology Company Limited, your hydraulic fluid specialist.